Student, today we will solve question number 1 of question 2 exercise 1.2. So first we factorize 26. So 26 is first divided by 2 in a 13 time, and again 13 by 13 one time. And 91 first is divided by 7 in a 13 time and 30 in a. So for we write here the products of primes 2 into 13 and 91 equal 7 into. So we take out the LCM. So LCM of 26 and 91 equal. So one formula is, how can we take out the LCM of these two numbers, these two prime factorization, by simple method. So we write here product of the greatest power, product of greatest power of each prime factor involved in the numbers, okay, equal product of greatest power of each prime. So we observed there are 4 primes in a both factorization, 3 primes in a both factorization 26 and 91, 2, 3, 13 and 7. So our first prime is 2. So we will observe what is the greatest power of 2. So we look that the greatest power of 2 is 1. So we write 2 power 1 into the greatest power of 7 also 1, and greatest power of 13 also. 13 we write only one time because it is common. We take only one. Product, now product it. 2 power 1 means 2, 7 power 1 means 7, 13. 2 7 ja 14, and 14 into 13. 14 into 13 equal, we get 182. Okay, 14 into 13 we get 182. So our LCM is 182 of 26 and 19. Again we will take out the HCF of 26 and 91. So we write here product of the smallest power of each common prime factor in the numbers. Each common prime factor in the numbers equal. So first we look that what is the common factor. So we observe that the common factor is 13. So we write 13, and the smallest power of 13 is only 1. So our HCF is 13. Okay. And again in the next question, in this question we have to verify. Okay, we have to verify that LCM into HCF equal product of two numbers. So LCM LHS equal HCF into LCM. So HCF is our 13 and LCM equal 182. So when we product of these two numbers, we will get 2366. Okay. And RHS, right hand side, product of two numbers equal 26 into 91. Then also we get 236. So LHS equal RHS. So it is verified. Thank you for watching my video.